Section 2. Eschatology in the Old Testament. Class 6. In this class, we will be looking into the following Old Testament scriptures. Daniel 7 verses 1 to 27. The beasts seen here have dual interpretations. The first interpretation is for the past kingdoms of the great image, while the second interpretation is for the kingdoms that existed in the last 2 centuries prior to the return of our King. First beast. Lion with eagle's wings. The wings were plucked off. It stood as a man and received the heart of a man. This beast had temporary access into the heavens. This is the Babylonian kingdom. This also fulfills the formation of the nation of USA on Thursday, July 4, 1776 AD, when they broke out of Great Britain. Great Britain is the lion nation, whereas USA is the eagle nation. Second beast. Bear with 3 ribs in the mouth. This is the Medo-Persian kingdom with the nations of Libya, Egypt, and Babylon in its grip. This also fulfills the nation of Russia, as Russia is the bear nation. The tripartite pact was signed between Germany, Italy and Japan in the Axis War against the Soviets in World War II. As foretold by scriptures, Russia came out victorious as Joseph Vissarionovich Stalin defeated the German forces in the battle at Stalingrad. This victory for Russia on the 2nd of February 1943 proved to be decisive for the end of World War II. Third beast. Leopard with 4 wings of a fowl, and 4 heads. This is the Greek kingdom, which had 4 generals. The kingdom was divided into 4 when Alexander the Great died. We see also that this beast, like the first beast, had some access to the heavens. This also fulfills the nation of Germany. After World War II, Germany and Berlin were divided into 4 occupation zones in the 30th of August 1945 to be administered by Great Britain, USA, France, and the Soviet Union respectively. Fourth beast. Dreadful, terrible, exceedingly strong with iron teeth and nails of brass. It is different from the first 3 beasts, and it had 10 horns. An 11th horn came up, little in size but strong enough to pluck from the roots 3 horns out of the 10 horns before it. It had the eyes of man, but its mouth spoke. The horns destroyed, and the Ancient of Days will sit for judgment. The horn was more of a leader than his fellow horns. The horn made war with the saints and prevailed until the Ancient of Days came. This horn shall speak great words against Yahweh and shall wear out the saints of Yahweh. He will seek to change times and laws. See Psalms 119 verse 126. He will prosper in his endeavors for 3.5 years. The judgment shall sit and take away his dominion so that he cannot consume and destroy as he would until the end. The 4th beast slain, and his body, including all the horns, destroyed and given to the burning flame. However, the other beasts were neither slain nor committed to the burning flame, though they lost the dominion, for a period of years, that is, the millennial reign. We see a tension starting with the 4th beast but then moving from the beast to the 11th horn until the end of the chapter. The Son of Man came with the clouds of heaven to the Ancient of Days. Therefore, we will see both the Father and Jesus. Awesome. We see 2 judgments mentioned here. One was to strip the 11th horn of his dominion that he should not consume and destroy as he wills, while the second judgment was for the Son of Man to use the authority of the Ancient of Days, which he delegated to the saints.